Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com, and you can see this is search button and enter your motherboard and then hit enter. H410MK. Click on product. You can see this. Then click to support. Select operating system. So you can see Windows 10, 11. There are two operating systems supported this motherboard. So both operating system installations process same. So chipset, chipset driver. Scroll down. Intel serial driver and click to download. After that you can see it started downloading and just complete it, and then double click. Also double click. This is setup series and then double click on exe. Now you can see this is installations. Okay, so that is a difference, so that's why it's showing the error. So no worry, you just next to install and then close it and then finish.